loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lunia. I'll be retouching the color of my locks, just the tips. As you guys can see, I know y'all can see because I can't do the camera. It's kind of fading. It's turning a little yellowish when it's supposed to be dark like this. You see the back, how it's super emerald green, but the front is fading. So that's what I'll be doing today, touching it up. And the reason why it's been fading like this is because when I get in the shower, I don't put nothing on my head, so this is always getting a lot of water. So I know that's one of the reasons why it's fading. So I hope you guys enjoy and like it. I will. I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna try one of the colors that I bought that I didn't get to use the first time, which was a mint green. So the ones that are a little yellow, I want to put the mint green, and I'll put emerald on the rest. Even the blue too, I need to touch up. It's crazy. I love my colors, but I want them vibrant like they were before. So let's fix this and jump right into the video. If some of you guys remember, I had asked if I should combine my locks. If you didn't see that question I had posted on the community tab, I want to combine my locks, but you guys said I shouldn't. And so, because I wasn't really sure, because I like them like this, but it's like they're so skinny. I just feel like they could be a little bigger. Like I have so much of them. See, there's just one. If it was twisted together, they would still be small, cause you see, it would still be small. Like it's not even a big difference. But I did really small locks, so I just wanted to combine them. I don't know, yo guys, like I don't know. I'm really thinking about combining my locks, and I have to make that decision quick before I hit 3 years. So I'll just go through the ones that I see are skinnier than the others, and I'll combine those. But the ones that are consistent and like these up here, they're like real nice and mature, and then you have this that's real nice and thick, and then you have this back here. You can see it's a little skinny. Those are the ones that I used to have beads on them, and the beads stretched them out, so they grew to be skinnier. So I want to combine those, and I have a few of them. So yeah, gotta do that probably next month. So I don't know, if everybody hair is not the same, the process is not the same, the growth process is not the same, the pattern process is not the same. So you can't compare your hair or your locks or your journey to someone else, because it makes no sense, because we all different. Even from our hair to our toenails, we all different. So if you don't experience growth quicker than someone else, don't be discouraged and don't look down on your journey. Just know that it's different. It's a different process for everybody, you know. So I used to look at other people's locks, and when I first started, like, I can't, why hers already changing? We about the same month and mine was still looking like 2-strand twists. But I talked myself out of that, and I know patience, leave them alone. But my locks are very well and fine. They're very beautiful. You can see my roots are really nice and thick and healthy. I don't have no breakage, and we all know healthy locks comes from healthy roots. So you really need healthy new growth to grow healthy locks. And if you guys didn't know, I won't be coloring my locks anymore, so I'll just let these ends, as it grows, they'll just be dead ends, and they will end up being cut later on, probably in like 4 or 5 years. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, you guys, so I have the products right here, and here I have the 40 volume developer, 20 volume, and the color Brilliance Permanent Bright, and the color Radiant Orchid. And then I have my Adore Mint Green that I will be putting over the green that is fading. I will be mixing my 20 with the mint so it don't get any lighter because it's already a bright green. And I want to mix the 40, which is a maximum lift. I will be mixing it with the Radiant Orchid because I want a little lighter pink. Because when I see it in my hair, when it came out like a dark purple. So I just want to add a little bit of brightness to it. So let's get started, you guys. This is all I'll be using, and of course shampoo and conditioner at the end. Bro, you guys, please don't come for me in the comments, because while I'm editing this video, I just realized I did the exact opposite of what I said I was gonna do. I did the opposite of what I said I was going to do. What in the world was I thinking? Oh my God, I'm so slow. Lord Jesus, help me. Y'all don't want to meet me in person. I was supposed to mix the green with 20 and the purple with 40. Bruh, Lunia, please get it together, my friend. What did I do? Yo. Now I'm never gonna know how it was really gonna turn out, because it turned out completely different from what I planned, and I just now realized it. What, 2 months later? I recorded this in February, you guys, and I'm editing it. Today is April 1st, you guys. I am horrible with time, okay? I'm horrible. I'm trying to fix that, but oh my God, I gotta get my head together. This is proof that I need a vacation for my mind. I only have one purple on this side, and I have a couple purple on this side. I actually put too much purple. I guess I'm gonna touch up some of these too. Dang, I put too much purple in the bowl, you guys. I don't even have that much purple to work with, but I'm going to get a little creative because I'm not gonna let my color go to waste. Okay, those color Brilliance at Sally's was not cheap. No way. The color is turning pink. You guys can see these 3 was already purple, and you can see they're not as bright as the purple up here, and they faded. That's what I'll be fixing, but I want to add a little. Let me take this bead out. I can add purple on this tip, so it could be blue and purple. I can't add. I'm just trying to see my color placement. Yeah, these 3 are gonna get greened up. For now, I just know I want these three to have the purple. So I'm gonna start applying it. I don't have a color comb. I'm not fancy. And I will just apply it all over. The smell is strong, so it's going to make your eyes watery. Okay, now let's let the hand do the work. I'm gonna hold the top, grab some and apply it. Oh, 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 I dropped one. Make sure I have it really nice coated. And then I'm going to clip this so that it don't really touch the other parts, and then I'll go in and mix the green. So I'll be right back. Now I'm mixing up the green and the 20 volume developer. Where you see the clips or where I had applied the purple color, and you could already see it changing color already, and it's way brighter. Excuse me, but it smells strong. It's a different green, but I like it. I'm gonna put it in the front, all in the front. Hi my loves, I'm back. I did the rest of my locks off camera because I really needed to be focused. Hi loves, I'm back. I just got out the shower. I'm in the sink. I had put my head on the sink, so yeah, I'm about to reveal the finishing look, how it came out, how it really came out. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh yes. This was supposed to be green. You see how it's a little yellowish? I missed a spot. Did I miss this spot? No, this is good. But it's okay because I could fix it tomorrow since I do have more mint green left. So these two, I have to put a little more green. But wow, the purple turned out, wow, it turned out nice. Now I want to do the whole purple, all the other rest of the purple just like this, because I love this brightness right here. It's really nice purple color. So I'm gonna go get my rose water and oil and I'll be right back. But I'm just going to moisturize my hair and my roots and wrap it up, go to sleep, so that tomorrow they can be nice and moisturized to get styled. So I have my rose water and oil right here, and we're just gonna spray just a little bit since my hair is already damp. So right now I have my wild growth oil and I mix it with a little bit of castor oil and a little bit of vitamin E oil. So actually enjoy and love doing this and taking care of my hair and my scalp. I don't understand. I never understand how some people can say, oh, I don't have time, it's too much. It's like so therapeutic to me. It like calms my mind. It's like a form of self-love, you know? So get it together, ladies. Together, the colors look like the perfect galaxy color. Y'all see? It just looks so beautiful. Like I have different shades of green, which I love. It's not just all one type of green anymore. And it looks so nice. I love this color. This is the best color I ever had, in my opinion. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you all enjoy this process. I hope you guys get little tips on how I moisturize my locks. Pretty simple, you know, straightforward. Let me know what you guys think on the comments if you have any questions. I also want to know how you guys feel about coconut oil on your locks. So please let me know down below. Thank you. Have a great day or great night. Mwah.